Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Shopify and helping you figure out where to start and what pricing plan might be the best fit for you. So, you're just dipping your toes into the Shopify waters and feeling a bit overwhelmed by all the pricing plans and perks they offer, huh? Don't worry, we've got your back. We totally understand the struggle of finding the perfect pricing plan that fits your business needs and budget. We are here to make this journey super simple for you. After choosing a plan, we will also guide you through the process of what to do next. So stick in. In this video, we'll chat about why to choose Shopify as your e-commerce partner, the pricing plans, the strengths and weaknesses of each plan. We'll take a peek at what each plan offers in terms of features, so you will know exactly what you're getting. We'll even throw in a comparison between 3 of the plans to help you weigh your options. But wait, there's more. We'll also touch on some alternative Shopify solutions because it's good to have options, right? So, whether you're just starting out, cruising along as a medium-sized business, or running a multi-million-dollar enterprise, there's something for everyone. Without further delays, let's dive into the world of Shopify together. So, why exactly do you choose Shopify? Well, Shopify is the largest e-commerce platform in the world, and it hosts some of the biggest and most successful brands with thousands of success stories. These brands were once in the same boat as you, but with the right platform and strategy, they skyrocketed to fame. So, what's so great about it? Well, Shopify is super easy to use and it's packed with features and app integrations that every business demands for smart workings. With Shopify, no more coding headaches. Focus on what matters most, your products and how to sell. Shopify understands that one size doesn't fit all, so they've got different pricing plans with different features to suit your needs. And the best part, you can test the waters with their free trial. Yep, you heard it right. You can dive in for 3 days without spending a dime. And if you decide to stick around, you can snag the first 3 months for just $1 each. So why wait? Click the link in the description to start your free trial and see what Shopify can do for you. And trust me, this is gonna worth it. Later on, we will reveal an AI platform to boost your business. This platform will put data and analytics in front of you that is worth the $1 million. But we will make sure you don't have to pay. Crazy, isn't it? If you want to know how to make a perfect, seamless Shopify store, its tips, its strategies, I have pinned videos of tutorials in the description. Take a look and design a perfect experience with all SEO and setting suggestions. Now, let's break down the pricing plans of Shopify. So, you've got the Basic Plan, Shopify Plan, and the Advanced Plan. Each has its perks. You can opt for both monthly or yearly package. If you are just starting the entrepreneurial journey and you are a small startup, monthly package is definitely going to suit you. And if you are medium to advanced enterprise, then you may experience yearly package as well. It comes with additional 25% off on all plans, so go, discover, and choose wisely. And yes, you can switch to yearly option after experiencing the monthly plan. Flexibility is the asset of Shopify. Alright, let's talk Basic Plan. It's your entry ticket, priced at $30 per month. But hey, with the yearly deal, it drops to $20 per month. Now, if you're just dipping your toes into the e-commerce pool, this is your go-to. You get credit card rates of 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction, basic reports, 1,000 inventory locations, and more. Perfect for startups, trust me. Oh, and your shipping discount sits at 77%. About shipping discounts, let me brief you. If you're shipping your own items, instead of using dropshipping or print-on-demand services, Shopify offers you a sweet shipping discount when you create labels through their platform. It's a win-win for saving on shipping costs while managing your own products. Next up, the Shopify Plan. It's like the middle child, priced at $105 per month, but drops to $79 with the yearly subscription. Now, the real gem here, lower credit card rates. It goes from 2.9% down to 2.6%, saving you some serious dough, especially as your business grows. A bump in shipping discounts up to 88%, and more staff accounts. From an expert's eye, you can probably live without the professional reports, the 88 discount, or the staff accounts. Those are smaller features, but this credit card rate can really start to save you some money. And the point that in your business, where you would probably want to consider this Shopify plan, is somewhere around $15,000 to $20,000 per month in revenue. Keeping these figures of monthly revenue, you should definitely consider going from the Basic Plan up to the Shopify Plan. In the Shopify Plan, you will get professional report. With professional reports, you'll get access to a lot of really useful data that can help you grow your business. This feature is great in its own place, But don't worry, you can get access to detailed analytics reports and professional suggestions through app or platform integration. And the best AI platform in this regard is EcommerceBot.com. Its Shopify bot can give you detailed analytics reports in addition to inventory tracking and professional optimization suggestions. You can manage all your customer service stations and ads with AI magic. And yes, this platform is super cheap and is available for free trials. You don't need to add any credit card information. Just tap on Shopify bot, add your store's link, and bam! Your detailed analytics report is right there. I have dropped the link in the description and in the bio. Do check out. Moving to the advanced plan. If you're playing in the big leagues like having $1 million revenue business setup, the advanced plan might be your jam. It's $390 monthly or $299 yearly. With this bad boy, you're getting credit card rates of 2.4% plus 30 cents, custom report builders, and a whopping 15 staff accounts. Plus, you're in for some e-commerce automation to streamline your operations. Ideal for medium to large businesses. Oh, and your shipping discount matches the Shopify plan at a solid 88%. In order to get the desired results and smart solutions to boost sales in less than 3 months, connect to EcommerceBot. It will do wonders in providing detailed and data-driven analytics and smart suggestions for your business. Now, I know what you're thinking. What if I'm just selling through social media? Well, there's a plan for that too. The starter plan, at just $5 a month, lets you dive into social and messaging app sales exclusively. It's perfect for Instagram and Facebook shop setups. And for the heavy hitters pulling in millions, there's the Shopify Plus plan, starting at $2,000 a month. It's the Rolls-Royce of e-commerce solutions, offering custom everything for high-volume businesses. So, there you have it, folks. A complete step-by-step foundation for your Shopify store in accordance with Shopify Pricing Plans. But wait, before you go, if you found this super simple guide helpful, be sure to share this video with friends and family who are venturing into entrepreneurship with Shopify and might be scratching their heads over those tricky plan options. Also, you would refer them to this golden card opportunity to opt for AI automation platform EcommerceBot, which guarantees to skyrocket your growth chart within the first 60 days, or else you won't pay. So, let's join hands and grow together as a success story. See you in the next video. Until then, keep watching, keep supporting, and keep hustling. Your success is just around the corner. Cheers.